Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about CSS website layouts. So let's see what is it. Let's give the title as a lecture 35th and then we will provide the title name, that CSS website layout. Okay. So what is CSS website layout? The content is often divided into header, menu, content and a footer. So here on screen, we have already checked this particular website is working or not, and the title is already mentioned here. Let me remove all other different websites, and now we will work on this. So as I told you, there are few things that is divided in here. So that are the header, then navigation menu, main content, and footer. So I'm going to provide any picture. So let me see what is that. So, okay, fine. C.png. Okay. After that, let me reload this. So this is the format is available here. The first one we are having is the header one. So the header is usually located at the top of the website. Okay. And is often contain the logo of the website. Okay. And then we are having navigation and content and main content and then footer. So these are the features that are available here. Okay, so this is how you can work it, and we'll study about this today. How can you work on this particular thing? Fine. So let me start with the header. Fine. So in case of header, as I told you, header is usually located at the top of the website. So it will help you to provide the top of the website or right below or the top navigation below. Okay. So let me style this particular text. Then I will write header and I will style this. So it will let the background color for this as a gray. And I will provide the padding as 20 pixel. Text alignment should be in center. And then let me reload this file. So now this thing is a header. I have created the header here. So that is how you can create the header. As I told you, the header is created. The next thing we are going to work on the navigation bar. So now you understood how to create. We are going to make a pattern like this image only. Fine. So this is how you can give the header part, and it will all the things that is below, that is above the navigation bar, will be assigned there only. Okay, fine. The next thing we are going to work on might be the navigation bar. So in that case, I will provide the div tag. So it will provide us the section that is required, and then I will provide the class name as a nav. Okay. Now I will provide the that is anchor tag and any link over there. So I will provide the home, and another I will provide it, and the another link, and then what all the things you want in your navigation bar, I will provide those details there. And these are the details that are available. So yeah, contact us, and I will change the name here, that is about us. Fine. Now I'll reload this. Now you can see these are the few details that are available, that is the navigation bar. So a navigation bar contains a list of links to help visitor navigating through your website. So these are the list I have provided that will help you to navigate from to your website. So I will style this. First I have to write the float that is left, so it will be going to the left side properly, and display should be of block. And then we are having the color. Any color you like to provide, you just write it. I will provide in light gray, and then I will write the text alignment, and then that should be of center. Okay, these are the few details I'm going to write here, and after that I will write the nav a hover effect. So if you'll move cursor to the particular link, it will change the color. So I will change it to the I will change that color to the green. Okay. So these are the few details I have written. I have to change the background color to the gray. Fine. Now let me reload this file. Okay. Now you can see if you are moving the cursor to there, it is automatically moving there. Fine. So these are the few kind of details you can provide it. So it will help you to navigate the all the details you want to. I will also provide the padding. I have missed that. So I will write the padding here of 16 pixel, 16 pixel, and then we'll reload this file. Let me check. Yeah. So now this is fine. These are the few kind of details that are available, and I have given the I have provided all the details here. So that is how you can provide the different kind of list according to with the help of links. So you can easily move to the different. So I will break it and will try to make the another form, that is content. So it will help me to create all the contents. So what is content here? The layout in this section often depend on the target user. The most common layout is one of the following. So the column 1, column 2 and column 3 layout. So how many, whatever the columns you are trying to write, there are few kinds of columns that are available. So here on screen I am going to write that. Let me break it. So this is the content I have written. I have used the particular image as a content. So now this place should be of block, and then I will write navigation should be justify content, that is center. Okay. And margin is of auto. Then we are having width or maximum width, that is 50%. Now let me reload this file. So now on screen you can see that this is the navigation and this is the content that is available to the next part. So these are the few kinds of details that are available inside the column part. Okay, so columns should be provided like this only. So it will help you to, columns are different kind of details you can help, and you can create it with the help of the column. Okay, so next thing we are going to write one paragraph here. Fine. And then we are having footer. Okay, let's skip the paragraph. We'll directly go to the footer because content is already provided. So this is footer I have mentioned. Now let me style this particular thing. We'll all style it in the same way, and I will just write before that footer and then bracket. Inside the bracket I will write all these details. After that everything is correct, is not missing anything, then we'll reload it again this file and we'll run this code. See, this is the footer. So this is the same format it is provided, the way it is written over there. So this is how you can create the website layout with the help of the these kind of tags. You can help it. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to CSS. Thank you so much.